Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to recover deleted Instagram messages recovery. For that, you need to go to Instagram, click on the profile, click on three horizontal lines. Here we need to click on your activity, just scroll down. Here you can see the download your information, click on that. So here we need to click on download or transfer information. So here we need to click on which account we do you need. So I was clicking on with my Facebook, search in 1 click on the next. Here we need to have all available messages and let's click on all select a profile and option. Let's clicking on download to device. We need to click on create files. Now it was downloaded. Thank you.